Hey y'all, and welcome to So Crafty with Connie. Today I wanted to show you how to make an easy ironing board, a bigger one if you're making a quilt and need it for backing or whatever you may need it for. So you could also use it for cutting out a dress or something like that. It's really simple and easy, and it can be done with things that you already have around the house. So if you like this video and it helps you, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's go ahead and get started. You just need a few things. The first thing that you need is a table. It could be any kind of table that you have. If you need a one of those fold out tables, or if you just have a big square table, this is just a regular wooden square table. Whatever size you may need. Now this size was good for me, but you could also use like a TV tray if you needed something a little smaller. And then you need either some towels, or I have this terry cloth that I had in my fabric stash, and so I used it instead. And you can, if you want, if you have an extra piece of batting, you can lay it down and put your terry cloth over it, or your towel, whatever you may have, for a soft surface. But I found that I didn't really need that, so it worked just fine without it. So, and then you also need some tape. All right, so all you're gonna do is just lay your terry cloth out, or your towel. Just lay it out over your table. This piece was not exactly the right size, so I have some more over there that I'm going to just lay on top of it. Now if you want to let it hang off the sides, you can, but I kind of want to cover it as much as possible. And then if you don't have batting, but you have a couple of towels, 2 or 3, then you can also put those on top of each other, which will also make it nice and soft. But again, that's not a necessity, but I did find that this worked just fine for what I needed. And then I'm just going to lay this all out flat, and then pull it straight some, make sure it's nice and flat. Okay. And then now I'm just going to take it down. And this helps. You know, when you're ironing over it, and it keeps it from moving. So I'm just going to take my tape and pull it off, and just tape it right underneath the table, and then just pull it over and tape it down like that. And then if you only have the regular tape without this little dispenser thing, that's fine. This dispenser thing though does help when you're cutting it. Okay, and so I'm just going to do maybe one more right here. And then for time's sake, I mean, I would put one right here, but I'm just going to go ahead and start on the other side. So you want to go one way and then the other way. Like this. And then since I have some hangover here at the bottom, then I'm just going to kind of lift this up a little bit like this. And then just put the tape underneath the table. I don't know if you can see that, but like right there. I just put the tape underneath the table. And then I'm just going to and then do the same thing on the other side. And then tape it underneath. All right, and then you would just do that each way. I'll go ahead and do one more. Okay, there we go. And there we have it. You can do as many as you want or as little as you want for the tape, just to make sure it's held down and secure. And that's it. Now you can take whatever it is you want to iron and just lay it on top of here and start ironing. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope you have a great day and happy crafting. So I wanted to show y'all how I use the ironing board table. So what I'm doing now is I'm ironing the backing for a t-shirt quilt that I was making. And I actually did this on a different day, so that's why I'm wearing different clothes. But it makes it really easy to iron something this size. That quilt that I made it was bigger than a king size. And so this table actually helped me iron the backing. And so, it can help with dresses or patterns or anything else that you're trying to iron as well that's bigger than an ironing board. But it was simple, and that is heavy spray starch that I used, that I sprayed on to get out some extra wrinkles that wouldn't get out, and that actually helped a lot. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. And again, you can make these as big or as small as you want, and you can use anything that you have around the house, towels, terry cloths, whatever it may be. And then you just pick it up and drag it, move it along as you're trying to iron the next part. So it made it a lot easier for me to iron that down. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.